Hi everyone, this is Mr. West. This is a special Valentine's edition of a Math Drills worksheet. Math Hearts Mixed Operations is the name of it. This is, of course, from mathdrills.com. There will be a link in the description below if you want to check it out. This is really kind of the intro to algebra, and I know it seems just, really innocent and just, kind of a nice little practice drill for multiplication and other mixed operations like division, addition, and subtraction. But really, it's at the heart of it's algebra. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to begin the thinkings of algebraic equations with variables. Just a little sneak peek if you stay with me, okay? But basically, the bottom line is with these, we have a missing value here. You could think of this as a blank. 4 times a blank number equals 36. And really, we're just looking at our multiplication tables, our addition tables, subtraction tables, whatever you're thinking of, your facts, to figure out what value goes in there. So we're thinking to ourselves, okay, 4 times something equals 36. Okay, so I can figure out how many times I add up 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. I could do that, or just know that I multiply 4 times itself. Let's see, not 4 times itself, but 4 times 9 would give me 36. So 4 times 9 will give me 36. Okay, so you think of what number times 4 will give you 36. How many times do you add 9 together? You add 9 together 9 times. Now I add 4 together 9 times to get 36. Okay, I probably made this sound more complicated than it is. It's really pretty simple. So we have 6 times something equals 18. What is that something? We have 6 times blank equals 18. That, of course, is 3. So we got to know our multiplication tables here. But if we do, it's really not that bad. This one's even easier. We have 7 minus a blank, and that is equal to 3. Okay, so something minus 7 minus something equals 3. That's 4. Okay, now what if you don't know the obvious answer? What's a way we can troubleshoot or debug the issue? How do we get to the heart of what is this heart? So a way to do this, if you know, is we can say, okay, if I don't know something times 9 equals 27, maybe I know something 27 divided by 9, because we can do that. 27 divided by 9 is the same thing. 9 times blank equals 27. 27 divided by 9. We both get 3. 3 is the answer for 27 divided by 9, and also 9 times blank equals 27. So that's another way to do these problems. You think of the opposite operation on the other side of the equal sign. You undo it. Okay, you undo the operation. I think these are a good example, the subtraction ones. So we have 7 minus blank equals 1. Okay, so if we wanted to figure out, we know that 1, there's very little left over after we take away. Okay, so it's obviously got to be a number that's bigger than 1, but close to 7. So what's the answer going to be? Okay, so the way to think of that is doing the opposite. So we could do 1 plus something equals 7. What's that answer? 1 plus 6 equals 7. See how we did the opposite operation? Instead of minus, we did plus on the other side of the equal sign. And that's another way to think about these problems. If you go to the other side of the equal sign, you got to do the opposite operation. Okay, 4 minus a blank equals 2. Okay, we could say 2 plus opposite operation, blank equals 4. And that, of course, is 2. And this works with pretty much all of them. Okay, so we have 9 minus something. So we can say 2 plus something equals 9, and that is 7. Okay, let's do it with some multiplication ones. 4 times blank equals 20. We can say 20 divided by 4 equals blank, and that's 5. Okay, so that works with all of these. We can kind of do the opposite operation, and that's kind of like a sneak peek to algebra. Okay, and then we can say 27 divided by something equals 9. I don't think I've done one like this yet, so this would be a good one to do. Let me change color for emphasis. 27 divided by something equals 9. So now we think 9 times something equals 27. That's the opposite of what we did over here, okay? These two are opposites. So that is something that we can think about to make it a little bit easier, especially with the division, okay? Think opposite operation, opposite of divide is multiply. That's how you undo it. So if we're looking for the answer, we know that it's 3 because 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Okay, quick sneak peek before I end this video. A lot of these are pretty simple. Like this one's 3, this one's 9, just as a FYI, 7. Okay, little bonuses, 9. Okay, algebra is essentially the same process. So instead of 6 times a blank, we would write it like 6 times a variable. We could make the variable I don't know, let's just make it z. 6z equals 18. And when we're done, what we're going to find out is this just means 6 times z equals 18. Okay, or 6 times, we know that it's going to be equal to 3. So z, the value of z would be equal to 3. It's just a variable taking the place of a number, okay? And then we can find out what that value is a little bit later. So z equals 3, okay? That's just a sneak peek on how we do algebra. So if you're getting the undoing the operations bit, you might be ready for the next level. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos right here on Wes Explains Best. Looking forward to it.